Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors' backlinks, because if you know where your competitors are getting backlinks from, then you can reverse engineer the process, you can steal their backlinks, you could approach similar websites, and basically this is a powerful link building strategy to make sure that you shortcut where you can get backlinks from, steal the information from your competitors, and reverse engineer the success. So it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of research. So let's take an example. Right? Let's take neilpatel.com. They're not really a competitor of mine, but they do a lot of link building, so it's a good example for this video. Basically what you're going to do is, if you need to spy on your competitors, go to ahrefs.com, type in a relevant competitor's URL here, and then hit search. So once that's loaded, you can go to backlinks like this, and from here you can see a long list of backlinks from your competitor, right? So from here you can filter to new backlinks, which means that you know these websites are accepting backlinks right now. They're potential link building opportunities, because if you only go to all of them, then some of these link building opportunities might be outdated. These websites might not be accepting pitches anymore from link builders. So it's better to filter down to new link building opportunities like this. And then you can change it between like the last 3 months, the last 6 months, last 30 days, that sort of thing. And you can even export this list. So you can take the top 1000, for example, and if we open up a new sheet on Google, we can import that list. And from here we have a long list of prospects that we could potentially approach for a backlink, right? So like this. So you can see the referring website, where they've linked to. You can see the website's traffic, so maybe anything below 100 you might want to filter out. But basically this is a really quick way to spy on your competitors and find potential link building opportunities from your competitors. And it really only takes a couple of minutes. Now, there are many other ways to do this, which I'll show you in this video as well. Okay, so another way to spy on your competitors is go to Ahrefs Content Explorer. Then you can type in your topic, like marketing for example, wait for that to load, which can take a couple of minutes, and then add a filter in. So you're going to select author like this, type in the relevant competitor's author, so maybe they've got some journalists or writers on the team that are often guest blogging. Quite often it's the CEO of the company that's doing all the guest blogging or getting their name on the guest blogs. And from here we can see a list of potential opportunities from our competitor, right? So we can see he's getting links from Forbes, from HubSpot, from entrepreneur.com, and these are all potential websites that we could also approach and say, hey, I noticed you featured one of our competitors, maybe you'll link to us too, here's the reasons why. But basically you know that these websites were at some point accepting guest blogs. Now, if you wanted to take that a step further, because some of these websites may no longer be accepting pitches, you could filter down to like the last 30 days, for example. And then you know the websites on this list are actively accepting guest blogs right now. Okay? And some of these websites are going to be like really good opportunities. So you can see this is a domain rating 72 website, a DR 79 website. And if you play around with this, maybe you try different authors, different competitors, you will find opportunities for link building. And basically what this list gives us is a list of websites from our competitor that they've been featured on for guest blogs. Now, another way you can do this is if you go to google.com. First of all, you want to filter out your competitor's website. So you want to say to Google, right, filter out websites that are not on neilpatel.com, but featured my competitor, right? So you put minus, insert your competitor's URL, written by, and then the author name. And from here, you can see a ton of link building opportunities where, you know, our competitors have been featured. So not only are you finding link building opportunities, but also PR opportunities too. And you can also filter down from tools. And again, just filter down by like the latest results, because then you know these are new opportunities from websites that are still actively accepting guest blogs. Now you might have to play around with this a little bit, so you could put written by or guest blog by, but basically play around with it, use some different variations between Ahrefs backlink profile, between Ahrefs Content Explorer and Google.com. You will find tons of link building opportunities from your competitor that you could potentially approach for a backlink too. And then as you go along, you need to make sure that you're putting all of these opportunities into a spreadsheet. So you could have a tab like this for backlinks, Ahrefs Backlinks Explorer you could put there. Then you could have a Content Explorer tab. And then finally, you could have a Prospects from Google tab. And on this list here, basically just make sure that you capture all of the research and all of the potential link building opportunities that you could get to save yourself time and so that you can refer to a list in the future. So that's pretty much it for spying on your competitors. That's 3 easy ways that you can quickly see where your competitors are getting backlinks from, reverse engineer their success, and basically spy on your competitors to save time and find link building opportunities that are relevant to your site. By the way, if you want backlinks for your website, I do run a link building agency. That's at juliangoldie.com. Feel free to book in a call via our website and we'll be happy to help you in terms of link building, give you a custom-made link building strategy so that you can start getting higher quality backlinks to your website too. We've worked with literally hundreds of websites now, helping them build more backlinks, increase their rankings through SEO, and land high quality links that actually increase their rankings. So if you want to get more backlinks, if you want to increase your traffic, then feel free to go to juliangoldie.com, book in a free consultation call, and we'll be happy to help. Cheers.